Hello, my name is Eddie Quintana. I work for LPEA Electric. I'm a journeyman lineman. I was one of the crew members on the East Canyon fire. We're describing some of our safety issues we were negotiating during the job. Due to the fire being a former coal mine, we were constantly stepping in hot spots and dealing with complete dust to mud to rains, lightning. The communication was very challenging due to everything was uphill and long spans away from each other. We had rock and lots of hard digging to deal with. We actually found the poles were set shallow from the previous line that was there, so we ended up digging up deeper holes, setting bigger poles. We had the pleasure of using the helicopter, which also presented new challenges, but went very smoothly with the LPEA Electric Line crew. While doing this, we learned a lot about working together and doing more radio communication. We also came up with very different ways of pulling in the wire, using old wire to pull in new, as well as making everything go as smoothly as possible. We did a relatively good turnaround within 3 weeks of starting the job with weather delays.